हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू हाईटेक बिलसॉफ्ट्स यूट्यूब चैनल। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को जरूर प्रेस करें ताकि आपको हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन और अपडेट्स सबसे पहले मिले। If you run an online store and want your customers to find your physical location easily, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add a Google Maps location to your online store step by step in just a few minutes. This is a great way to boost customer trust, improve your store's credibility, and enhance the overall shopping experience. Before we dive in, here's why this matters. When customers can see your store location directly on your website, it builds confidence that your business is real and reachable. It also makes it easier for people to visit you in person or verify your address, which can directly increase conversions on your online store. Let's jump into the platform. Inside your online store dashboard, look for the online store option in the left-hand menu. Click on it. Then go to Store Settings. Inside Store Settings, you'll find a Settings tab. Click on that. Scroll down and you will see the Google Map location field. This is exactly where we'll be pasting our Google Maps link. Now let's grab your store's Google Maps location. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Maps at maps.google.com. In the search bar, type in your business name or store address. In my case, I'm searching for Hitech Buildsoft. Once your location appears on the map, click on your business listing on the left panel. Now look for the share icon. Tap on that. You will see two tabs, Send a link and Embed a map. Click on Embed a map. You'll now see an HTML iframe code. Click Copy HTML to copy your Google Maps embed link. That's it, you've got your link. Head back to your online store platform. Navigate to Online Store, Store Settings, then Settings, and find the Google Map location field again. Paste the embed link you just copied right into that field. Once done, hit Save. After saving, you will want to sync your store data so the changes go live on your website. Click the sync icon to update. Now let's verify it's working. Click the View Store or Preview icon to open your live website. Scroll down to the footer section of your website and there it is. Your Google Map is now live on your online store. Your customers can zoom in, zoom out, or open it in a larger map view for full direction. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching.